Ever wondered why we get hiccups? It's all about our diaphragm going a bit haywire. When it spasms, it pulls air in suddenly, causing that funny sound. But why do we even have hiccups in the first place? Some scientists think they're just evolutionary leftovers, like a quirky reminder of our aquatic ancestors. Hiccups might have helped them breathe better underwater. So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's a blast from the past. A little reminder of where we came from, isn't it? Embrace the hiccup. It's part of being human.